Alright guys, so here is our 2021 GMC 3/4 ton step bumper. So to get this thing to fit on the square body, as you can see, the bumper is obviously skinnier than the body. On the new trucks they have a indent right through here, which the bumper then recesses into. So what I've done is I've marked my line here, got my bumper all level where I want it. Looks like an angling down just because the truck is sloping forwards currently. So I'm going to make a cutout of this bumper shape and then put it on this line here. And I'm going to cut out the bottom, bevel it in, and follow this body line here. So I have a nice transition coming down the body like that. And obviously got to recess it right in for the step here, so the bottom half be cut right off. I think it should turn out pretty good.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking.
So we got our holes cut out here now. That was tough to do. Hate cutting into these things when they don't have any problems with them, but see here now. Just trim off the bottom there a little bit, just to fit the step over top. Left a little bit extra on purpose. And now that line will be my bevel line, so I'll bend it on that line there, so that thing can just snip just underneath it. I need to make some brackets, but as of now, it's looking like we're going to be pretty good here. Same thing over here. Again, bevel it along that line. Trim that bottom off a little bit, and then she'll sneak right in there.
Can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story.
So here's the bumper in its final spot. Lines up all right. Looks pretty good here from the back, I'd say. Nice tucked look on the bumper, which is what I want. Side profile, it is quite long, so it sticks down below the body lines quite a bit, but I'm right with that. I got a hitch down here, right below it, which will stick out perfectly. If we're to do it again, I wouldn't cut this back so far. I'd actually just trim it right here and leave this normal body line.
But I can feel his tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument?
Here's a bumper fully supported on its own. And a nice straight line right across there. It turned out really nice in the back here. The edges are a little tight here. But not much you can do about that unless you really drop the bumper down, which I didn't want to do. Our brackets, I have a 2nd gen chassis here, so it won't be the same as for a square body. But I just had some scrap aceton laying around, and I just made that work for now. So that I'm going to make some better brackets later on, but just wanted to see how it all fit. I'm going to take these into a shop and get some nice brackets made up for it, but at least they work. Bumper holds on tight. Hopefully if anyone else wants to do this for their truck, they learned something from this video. Can always do it better, but for first time trying it and not having any guidance, I thought it turned out pretty damn well.